Pioneers! Welcome to the fourth session of the Pi Convention. This is a Pi panel session where the Pi core team will introduce the questions in discussion and the representative pioneers will present their views on these questions. The panel discussion today is about the future of Pi mobile mining. The original design of Pi's economic model and its mining mechanism is to strike a balance between access and scarcity. While setting out to be the most inclusive and widespread digital currency in the world, Pi tries to achieve a level of scarcity through a mining mechanism where the base mining rate halves when the network size increases by 10x. This mechanism also provides a meritocratic reward system to members based on their contributions to Pi. Even though in our white paper we specified the network size to be at least 100 million people, the core team had left the decision open as to whether we will continue or stop mobile mining at the mark of 10 million network size. Because back then we were uncertain about at least the following three aspects to make a well-informed decision. First, how fast the network grows. For example, how fast we achieve all the previous halving milestones. Second, the progress of the ecosystem building including utilities and applications of Pi at the time of 10 million. Third, the progress of the mainnet at the time of 10 million. Also, at this network size, the core team would want to take input from its members about this question in order for us to make the final decision that is best for the whole network. We predicted that the community opinions will be split based on at least a simple rational motivations derived from when the pioneer joins the network and started mining. This also translated to how much Pi this pioneer has mined. However, more importantly, we value voices that support their opinions and sentiment with reasonings and considerations of the overall goals of Pi, the health of the ecosystem, and the interest of the whole community. For this purpose, we went through a sophisticated process to solicit and collect such input from our community, including applications to speakers, moderators' recommendations, video surveys to collect video responses, and spent a tremendous time watching and processing such submissions.
The Pi network is currently composed of over 9 million engaged pioneers, and we're approaching the 10 million member mark very soon. So we wanted to pose the question about the future of mobile mining at this convention in the form of a panel, and some vocal pioneers applied to speak and submitted their video responses. We selected well thought out, articulated, clear and representative videos to be featured as part of the panel discussion, which is coming right after this current core team video. Even though we only selected a limited number of video responses, the core team watched all of the submissions. If you did not apply to express your thoughts by video, we encourage you to participate in writing through the topic in the home screen of Pi today. Also, we are well aware that in some regions, there have been activities campaigning for a certain type of view in regards to this question, and some campaigns even use various incentives to manipulate the popular view. We hope pioneers can form their individual thoughts independently without any misinformation and disinformation. And we hope that they do that with the overall benefit of the whole network in mind. After the Pi convention, the core team will review the written responses in the topic, in addition to the video responses, and we will provide an analysis incorporating these community views, experts' views, and the core team's own views to make the final decision about whether to continue or stop mobile mining when our network size hits the 10 million mark. We all hope Pi will succeed, and the core team is trying to find and evaluate the best option for this decision in a systematic and scientific way. So, let's see what pioneers said in the video coming up.